Finally, 2 pilots could be in big trouble for making animal noises over air traffic control radio at Reagan National Airport in D.C. The Delta and American Airlines pilots can be heard meowing and barking at each other, and an air traffic controller telling them to act professional.
Meow. You guys need to be professional, man.
Meow, 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 meow.
This is why you're still flying RJ.
So an NBC4 Washington reporter asked a former JFK air traffic controller, Steve Abraham, about it. He said, quote, "Is it against the rules? Yeah, but doing 56 and a 55 is against the rules too, but doesn't really impact much." Abraham says that he was asked what he thinks of the meowing and barking. Quote, "Certain people in the aviation profession, and I don't begrudge them of this, expect it to be completely buttoned up 105% of the time. At the same token, I'm sure the people who are meowing and barking back and forth, they're incredibly professional." That's what he says. FAA regulations prohibit pilots from engaging in non-essential conversations when they're below 10,000 feet altitude. Conversations must be related to the safe operation of the aircraft. And now the FAA is investigating, according to this former air traffic controller, who apparently is not bothered at all by this behavior. He says, quote, "They were just having a momentary joke. Sometimes a little levity reduces tension."
That's a good argument. Aviation regulation FAR 121.542/135.100.
I know that one.
Requires flight crews to restrict non-essential activities and conversations during critical phases of the flight, which includes taxiing, taking off, landing, and all operations below 10,000 feet.
Yeah, you got
right there in the regulations.
Real buttoned up. Real buttoned up.
Meow, meow.
So we can do it all day long if we want.
All day.
All right, ready? Let's go.
Here we go.
Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow.
He sees.
And we'll probably get a raise.
Oh!